Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to HPGS. Dear students, we are here to talk about topic 10.4, which we had not been able to discuss in the last week of February. Here we are going to start about topic 10.4, which is presenting numbers graphically. You must have known that we have already been representing numbers or text or words in different formats. Now we are going to represent our numbers or our layouts and designs in form of graphs. We have to understand that graphs are an important part in the representation of numbers. If we want to create a strong visual impact on the reader, we have to make graphs. They are easier for the user or the viewer to understand, and you must have known that the newspapers, magazines and TV shows use these type of formats, which are graphs, to make the viewer understand what they are going to represent them. After understanding the importance of the graphs in our daily lives, we need to understand how do we make a graph. The first, we must see on the left hand side that there are some continuous forms of numbers represented in a table format. We can represent these numbers in form of graphs as well. For that, we need to first insert our information in the spreadsheet. The figure on the left shows, for example, the average monthly rainfall and temperatures for the resort. In this figure, the continuous form of data has been inserted, which is actually not easy until it is represented in a graphical way. As you can see, you have been shown two types of graphs. There is a visible difference on the two. Each type of graph represents different type of average sunlight, minimum average temperature, maximum average temperature, average precipitation. As you can see that in figure 10.4, all bars are on same scale, which is visibly not easier to understand. But on the right hand side, which is figure 10.4, there are two different scales which are being shown, which helps the viewer to understand or interpret what is actually being represented. Now in this figure on the right hand side, each type of bar is separately represented in form of charts or graphs. Figure 10.6 shows average sunlight per hours in January till December. Now in figure 10.7 you can see the minimum to maximum average temperature has been shown from January till December, and in the third chart you have been shown the average precipitation in millimeters from January till December. Thus we can see that the separation of the charts makes it easier to understand our information, which is visibly clear. The reading task is to read the topic 10.4 thoroughly